Norman Vaughn said, "Dream big and dare to fail." Hello, everyone, and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What I thought I would do today is I would do an eye tutorial for you. Because, some of my tutorials can get rather long, and this will be a voiceover type video. Because I do go back and forth, and I'm jamming out to some music as I do it and everything, so I'm just having fun with it. So I thought I would do a tutorial on an eye look. Now, typically I would use drugstore or affordable products, but I thought I'd use the Glam Metals palette by Crown Pro. I mean, it's a decent looking palette, but it's rather hard to read for me. I mean, it's white with silver. I mean, come on, couldn't they make it more readable? But I thought I'd do it on this here. That's what it looks like. And I do point to the shades as I use them. This right here is the eye look. So thought I'd get in a little closer for you there. And I do have a different background here. We're going somewhat old school background. Let me know if you like this or if you like the other background better. Because who knows, I might be changing it up from time to time. But I did use this, and basically the entire tutorial is this palette. I didn't use liner in this tutorial. This is just the shadow. So, let me know if you like quick little tutorials on a palette like this. If you do, maybe I can start doing more of them. I do hope that you enjoy this video, and also, if you want to, please hit that subscribe button so that you can see other goodies coming up, including a AOA, or Shop Miss A, BB cream and powder review, as well as a NYX concealer review is coming. The AOA BB cream will be one, and then the AOA powder will be another, and then the NYX stuff will be another. So there's at least 3 reviews coming up, as well as the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. That is also coming up, so I do hope you subscribe for that as well. And if any of these have already gone up, I will try to put them down in the description box as well. So I do hope that you check all those videos out or subscribe to see whenever I do upload them, and turn on the notification bell. And also, you can follow me on all my social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff. All the links will be down below for you. And please, I would also like to invite you to join me for Facebook Live Makeup Playtime every Thursday on Facebook Blind Beauty page. So, thank you, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Alright, let's get this party started. I first put on the Maybelline Color Tattoo and Barely Branded all over my lid before I ever started doing this tutorial. Then I'm just showing you that I'm using some Wet n Wild and Royal & Langnickel brushes. And we're using the Glam Metals palette by Crown Pro today. And the first shade that we're going to use is Rebel. It's in the middle, center. And that's like a goldy color with a little bit of reddish tint, in my opinion, to it. And I'm taking some fixing spray and spraying my brush before I ever go into it. If you want to make a shadow even more pigmented, or make it really pop the glitter in it, spraying your brush really does help. And I'm kind of jamming out as I'm doing this look, because I've got some music going, so you might see me singing with the radio, and, you're not really supposed to have copyrighted material, so, I couldn't really let it leave the sound on here, but I'm really just putting that on the lid and really building it up. You can always add more, you can't always take it away, and I am putting that all on the lid and going up into the crease as well. The one thing with this palette is they do not have a good transition shade, and you'll be seeing that later on, that I basically make my own transition shade for this. But that right there is the first shade. Then we're going to go into Glam Rock, which is a deeper brown shade. It's not the deepest brown shade in this palette, but I wouldn't even call it a mid-tone brown, but we're using that on like a crease type brush. And we're putting that on the outer V as well as buffing it into the crease as well. Like I said, this does not have a good transition shade, so I'm using this color as my transition shade. If you want to blow out a color a little bit, that can turn it into a transition. So, I'm just buffing that in really good. And you can always add more, you can't always take away. That's why I just build it up slowly instead of slapping it all on in one go. So, it just takes a little bit of work and a little bit of patience. The key is to blend, and that's what I tend to do as I go, but I think I kind of over blended with this look. But then I'm taking another shade here and I'm putting it on the lid, and then I even put a little bit on the inner corner as well of the Pop Rock shade. So, and I'm just kind of looking and seeing what I'm wanting to do next here. Next, we are going to take the Wicked, which is a deep brown shade. If you think of dark chocolate, really, really dark brown, that's what this shade is. Real dark brown, and I'm putting that in the outer V and up into the crease a little bit just to define it a little bit more. So, and that's one thing that really does help, is taking one shade and then going a little deeper, a little deeper, and a little deeper. You can do all sorts of looks just by doing that. And in my opinion, this palette doesn't have a really great highlight shade either, but, I make do with what I've got. So, but then we are going to take Black Metal, which is a black color, and we're going to focus that on the lash line and the outer V, pretty much. Whenever you focus it right on that outer V, the line of your outer V, if you take your pinky and go along your eye socket, you can feel your outer V. So that's where I'm putting this shade now. So, and that really helps to define it even more. You can even mess with your eye shape and everything by defining your outer V some. Or make it more prominent at least. Then I'm just building up that lid color some more. So, whenever you feel like it's getting muddy or has taken away some of the shimmer, you can just build it up a little more. Build it up, build it up. So, that works. That really does. It helps define the eyes and really, helps colors pop. And then I even used my brush again and added some more of that color to the lid. So, then we're going to take that Wicked shade again, the Wicked, and we're going to buff this on the bottom lash line. And this is the last step that I'm doing in this video. We're just buffing that on the lash line using a short smudger type brush. It's on the opposite end of one of these Royal & Langnickel brushes. And just kind of putting that on there a little bit and just working it in. So that just helps define the lower lash line so it's not completely bare. So that right there really is the last step to this look. And I did go ahead and line my eyes and put on mascara before I did the intro, but that's the look. Right there. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. My top 5 videos linked below are New Maybelline City Mini Palette Review and Demo, What's in My Purse, Garnier Argan Oil and Cranberry Extract Review, Get Ready With Me Easy Natural Drugstore First Video, Styling My Short Bob.